Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about my top 2 technical writing reference books. I got tons of reference books about writing, but these are specifically for technical writing. And I had them on my bookshelf for a very long while. The first one is, of course, the Microsoft Manual of Style for Technical Publications. This one, it says it includes 3.5 inch floppy disk in the back. It was published in 1995. I believe this is the first edition. It says covers new terms and technologies for Microsoft Windows 95. It's been 23 years? So this was my first copy. And then here I have the 3rd edition, Manual Style for Technical Publications. And this one does not have a floppy disk, but a CD in the back. So these are all gone, of course. These days everything is online, but I still use it, not every day, but maybe once a week or so, to check out a concept, a term, how Microsoft uses it, because they do a pretty good job, Microsoft Corporation itself, when it comes to writing manuals. I have to give it to them. Now, for a more detailed look, let's go to Amazon, where, as you can see, there's a 4th edition now, Microsoft Manual of Style. Now, the book itself is organized in 2 main sections. The first part of the book is organized in terms of topics like style and voice, content for the web, and content for worldwide audience, the user interface, accessible content, practical issues of style, grammar, punctuation, etc. And then the second section is just an alphabetical presentation of many hundreds of words and terms, concepts that you come across in your daily work as a technical writer. For example, here let me give you a sense of what's in it. For example, style sheet. It says 2 words can refer to a file of instructions for formatting a document in word processing or desktop publishing, or to a list of words and phrases and how they are used and spelled in a particular document. See also cascading style sheets. So this is my first indispensable technical writing reference book from my library. And the second one is, smaller but heavier, I think, due to the paper it's printed on. And this is called Handbook of Technical Writing by Gerald Allred, Charles Broussard, Walter E. Oliu. And I have in my library the 7th edition, again by those 3 authors. It's a very handsomely produced handbook. It's strictly alphabetical, and they have these little color tabs on the side, so you can directly go to the letter of your choice. And it's got a lot of tables, a lot of images, and writer's checklists. It's a beautiful handbook that I really love dearly. Of course, both they have a vast in the index at the end, and by page numbers, and this covers a lot, including some stuff that overlaps with business writing, including like how to write memos and letters and stuff like that. And to have a little more detailed look, let's go to Amazon. Here it is. Now it's up to 11th edition, Handbook of Technical Writing. And let's have a peek inside. And again, by these three authors, Handbook of Technical Writing. And here, as you can see, they cover huge terrain content. It starts from technical writing, documents and elements, design and visuals, correspondence, as I said, that you would use in an office, job search and application. How about resumes, resignation letters, acceptance refusal letters, presentations and meetings, minutes of meetings, presentations, research and documentation, note-taking, paraphrasing, plagiarism, questionnaires, organization, writing and revision, how to manage content, methods of development, narration, etc. Digital tips, how to create an index, outline, etc. English as a second language trouble spots. Those readers and students of mine who live in other countries may be happy to have this, very nice section devoted to the tricky parts of English grammar and usage, and it provides tips, ESL tips. So it goes on and on, including punctuation and parts of speech and grammar, and etc. by three very well established authors. So this is also a book that I would highly recommend to all my followers, students, and readers. In other videos, I want to introduce you my other reference books that I consult regularly. I don't know, I must have spent tens of thousands of dollars literally during my career on books and training and videos and etc. And believe me, it was worth every dime, every penny. So I hope you'll take advantage of these two reference books, Handbook of Technical Writing and Microsoft Manual of Style for Technical Publications. Take good care, and I'll see you in the next video.